Using a pipe wrench on galvanized steel pipes requires the right technique to ensure a secure grip without causing damage to the pipe or its threads. Here's how to do it properly. Choose the right size wrench. Select a pipe wrench that fits the diameter of the galvanized steel pipe. A wrench that's too large or small will make it difficult to apply proper torque, increasing the risk of slippage or damage. Inspect the pipe. Before using the wrench, inspect the galvanized steel pipe for any signs of rust or corrosion. A corroded pipe may be weaker and more susceptible to damage, requiring extra caution. Apply the wrench properly. Position the pipe wrench around the pipe with the teeth facing the direction you want to turn it. Ensure the wrench is securely gripped before applying force. The curved teeth should bite into the pipe, providing a firm hold. Use steady, controlled force. Turn the wrench slowly, applying steady pressure. Avoid sudden jerks or excessive force, as galvanized steel pipes can be brittle and may crack or break under too much pressure. Prevent damage to threads. If you're working with threaded pipe, use care to avoid cross-threading. Apply gentle pressure and check alignment regularly to ensure you don't damage the threads. By following these steps, you can effectively use a pipe wrench on galvanized steel pipes without compromising the integrity of the material.